Hey everyone! We are finally here at Universal Mardi Gras. If you can't make it all the way to New Orleans, you can always come down to Universal to have the absolute best time at the 30th anniversary of Mardi Gras here at Universal Studios. Before heading into the park, I made sure to stop by VooDoo Donut to get the seasonal King's Crown Donut, which was pretty freaking delicious. And then I headed inside to finally see all of the 30th anniversary Mardi Gras merch. There is a ton to look at, from traditional Mardi Gras mask all the way up to fun little hats. I love the way these light up. They are perfect for the nighttime and the parade, of course. Then we have a ton of beads, of course. You can see all of the different types. You can get fleur-de-lis, you can get bananas, you can get more purple and gold. So you get to choose your bead and then choose your charm, which is really, really adorable. I love the builder bead station, super cute. And Mr. Jazz and Gator Jr. are, of course, on absolutely everything. You can also see a couple of different jesters. And there's a little Gator Jr. plush that can sit on your shoulder, and his little crown makes me so happy. It's so cute. And he's also featured as this year's Mardi Gras bucket. And there are a ton of different things for you to look at, but you can also bring your own beads like I did. One thing a lot of first-time Mardi Gras goers don't realize is there are tons of live concerts. You saw even T-Pain will be featured this year, so make sure to check that schedule before you book your ticket. Okay, we just stopped by Canada, grabbed the ginger snap. We're gonna try this out. Oh, that's gingery. That is gingery. Woo! The fries are better. Let's try it. So this has like fresh chunks of mozzarella and some like small little tomatoes and everything. So we're gonna try it. Hopefully it's good. That is so good. Oh my God, that's good. That's nice. There's like a nice sauce on this. It makes me wish the mocktail was better because this is so good. You're gonna love it. Okay, let's go on to the next booth. Then I made a couple of quick stops. I went to Central Park Crepes to grab the duck crepe. This is super, super rich, but the orange really does help. It is the most expensive food item, but I do think it's worth it if you want to share it with someone. Then the Coca-Cola Market, I got the orange mocktail. It was pretty good, but not as good as the duck crepe. And I also stopped by Columbia and grabbed those chicken empanadas, and they were super delicious. I think that sauce is one of the best things. Okay, so at India, and what I really love is that they have a chai latte, which is really lovely. So I've actually been to Bangalore in southern India. So I got the potato dosa because it's very similar. So it has like a sauce with it that is okay. I've never had anything like this. I'm assuming what they want this to be is like with that chimney kind of sauce, like there's a green sauce. If you've ever been to a restaurant, an Indian restaurant, I'm assuming they want this to be like this, nothing like that. This is like basically sour cream, I don't know. The potato inside is okay. This dosa is super dry. So not great. It's a spiced chai. It's really, really good. Honestly, I feel like this is probably the best drink. Like, keep in mind, I've had none of the alcoholic drinks, but as far as like the non-alcoholic drinks, this is definitely the best one so far, which is really awesome. Okay, so this is the Luck and Prosperity from China, and it's Hokkaido milk tea, ginger puree, and vanilla, and mango boba. And I'm just gonna say the vanilla and the ginger is a very odd combination. And I forgot to mention, this is the duck dumpling. There's a ton of duck at this festival, and it was really delicious as well, but the crepe was definitely better. Okay, so we just went by Germany, and I'm so excited because I've been to Germany. I've been to Bavaria. I've had currywurst in Germany, so I don't know. When I heard they were gonna have currywurst, I was like, oh, finally, something that I know I'm gonna fall in love with immediately.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is gonna be my favorite food, I think.
This is so freaking good. This is good.
I wish they would like drench the fries in the sauce. I wish they would drench me in the sauce at this point. That is how good it is.
And then I also had the apple strudel in Germany. This is the least expensive food item, and I will say I think it's well worth it. I think it's a kind of a small portion, but I mean, it's only $4.99, so I feel like it was pretty good. And honestly, it was very flaky, and the nice little vanilla cream sauce was a very nice touch, so I did enjoy that.
Okay, guys, finally, what we are here for. And I'm sure everybody knows, but this little Mr. Baby. Mr. Baby is not edible. Please don't eat that. But the rest of it is really good. It's like a spice cake with an icing. And honestly, I was worried that it was going to be really sweet because I'm eating a lot of sweets right now. But it is really, really good. So I recommend getting the chicken empanadas or the currywurst and then coming to get the king cake. It's on point. It's on point.
There are also a couple food booths I didn't hit up, like Puerto Rico, Mexico, and Italy, but definitely be sure to stop by these booths because I'm sure they are awesome and super delicious. Then it was time for my favorite part of every single festival at Universal, which is the tribute store. This tribute store for Mardi Gras is absolutely incredible because it's called Legends of the Bayou, and it is all about conspiracies and legends in the deep south in New Orleans. As a Tennessee girl, I absolutely love it. I love all of the references to different Yetis and aliens and all of the awesome, super cool things. There's tons of gators and just a lot of neat monsters and neat conspiracies. And honestly, it was really, really cute to see a tribute store that was so well decorated. It reminded me of a Halloween Horror Night house. Usually this type of detail just absolutely sends me over the edge, so I just loved it.